Hi boys and girls, it's Shane and Jennifer. Isn't she gorgeous? She's wearing spats. This is going to be wild. This home was the top 5 most viewed homes in America when it went for sale 4 years ago, and it is for sale again. And this is the first house I remodeled. I have not been in this in years. They put solar panels on it. They're definitely not gonna make the money back on that. I'd be curious to see how much it's changed. Already we got some damage. They're not getting their deposit back, are they, dear? Let's go inside and see. Oh, this is so surreal. It's almost not changed. This would be the living room. We got a little bit of cracking in the bar I made. This is polished concrete. You're just ready to go back to the money shot, aren't you, back there?
The money shot.
The thing everybody is here to see. Let's go back here. I'll show you why this is the top 5 most viewed houses in America. So this room was original to the house. Everything from here backwards is part of a 3-story addition that I did myself. And so I built everything, the floor, the walls, all of this. This is where our main bedroom bed set. So the big bed set there. And this is the cool purple rooms. Let's look in the shower and stuff. You're just ready to get to it. Make them wait just a minute. Come on, dear. Come on. You're so excited. Hi, Shane. Hi, Jennifer. So we have the stained glass. That's my first stained glass window. We have the tile and the groin vaulted ceiling. We made this. Behind that mirror is a TV, so you could watch TV while you're in the bath. Then we have the big shower here. Heads on both sides, 2 different temperatures. We got the closet. Plenty of storage.
I remember so much time working on that groin vault.
It was a good weekend and a half or more.
Mm-hmm.
It was several days. I don't understand with all the storage in this closet area why they added these shelves to the wall. These don't make any sense to me. Are you ready, dear?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. I'll let you do it. It's been a long time. Go ahead. This is the reason why this house went famous. And believe it or not, the mechanics to make that happen are all handmade and still operate after more than 10 years. So there's a wooden trolley there that kind of handles everything. This spiral staircase I made out of a stack of rough sawn cedar boards. So if you ever wonder if I actually have any woodworking skill or if I just do the landlord special, I think this stairway speaks volumes for my ability. I absolutely love it. And what was this room, dear? What was this room for?
It was our S*X dungeon.
That's right. So in this corner, there was a cross and there was a cage.
A playroom.
It was a playroom, yeah, for various adult things. Hi, Shane. This is the first epoxy countertop I ever did. This was part of reinforcing. The original house foundation is there. This is the dirt level, so we had to dig down. We built a wall, reinforced, and then concrete filled and turned that into the bar top. We've got the mini fridge down here for parties. It's still here. This is pretty wild to be in here again. Wow. This is the TV. It's held up by a linear actuator on a remote. Yeah, there it is. So that contracts and this drops down. That goes to under the house, and this goes to the really big backyard. So if we look out back here, we have a big private fenced backyard. Oh, the wisteria has become huge, huge. Do you miss this house, dear?
I do.
We had some good times in here, didn't we?
We did.
You made those curtains by hand.
I did.
What do you think? Does that make...
That's how the wall is supposed to look, and there's storage behind, so you'd be able to store things along the wall behind.
Yeah, so we'd have the various accessories and things. I mean, we had some, like in here, we would have maybe a paddle or a riding crop and some other things hanging in this cabinet. Sometimes you needed to store bigger things. The wife gold leafed that door. I guess let's go look at some of the other cool features, like that mirror upstairs in the closet. We didn't show any of the secrets around that. All right, dearest, so show us what you got.
Show us what I've got. We've got this lovely mirror attached to the wall.
Right.
That has a secret.
So there's a magnetic spot there.
Mm-hmm.
And this was where she would hang all of her necklaces and her jewelry. I handmade all the magnetic latches and everything. Here we kind of have this mechanism. So when it closes, there's no sign of it. And then when it sticks into place, it just allows it to open freely.
The funny part about it was meant to be a secret, right? Hidden, surprise, secret thing so that people wouldn't know where I put my jewelry. But he was so excited about building it, he kept showing everybody.
I would never do that. I would never do that. That doesn't seem like something I would do, does it? That's strange. What is this for? This is definitely not something we had originally.
I'm not sure what this is.
It wouldn't interact with the door here.
There has to be, well, maybe there would be another piece of something.
If anybody knows what this is definitely something that was added to the house.
Doesn't seem like there was anything attached here.
I have no idea what that is. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This is polished concrete countertops. I designed all these cabinets and everything were custom. So the TV cabinet over there, I built all this. We took out this wall and did these arches in between. I don't know why there's a secondary TV here. I'm not sure exactly what that was about. I mean, that one should have been sufficient for most uses, but I suppose it wasn't in their case. There used to be an arch here. I'm going to try to superimpose some images of what this used to look like, but it's not changed a whole lot. This is really surreal. I cannot tell you how strange it is. Something that I raised my kids in and I spent so much effort putting together. This was a garage we turned into a guest bedroom here. We had the fold-down Murphy bed that I built, so this is a Murphy bed here. If I unlatch it, that will ratchet down and it gives you a full-size bed. Would you live in a place like this?
I did live in a place like this.
What about you guys, boys and girls? Let me know in the comments.